Went to my car and picked myself up some mediocre tools to pull this up with. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Might be better if I hold it even. I cut through the first layer of the glass. Well, the top layer, say. Right to the wood. So that's what we got on here. It's a little wet, but not too wet. Not as bad as I thought. We had actually some puddles in some of this yesterday. You can see right here where there was an old deck installed, or a new deck installed a while ago. So I'll let this dry for a little while and work on some of this other stuff while I'm waiting for it to dry. This wood's pretty solid, pretty dry. Right here and right here. This is a little wet, but not bad. It's a sunny day. Kinda. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and start sanding this. This is gonna get one layer of glass over the top of it. A light layer of roving all the way down to the section here that's already been done.